welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Daphne Murphy. On this channel I share my sewing journey, and I do hope to share more in the future. If you get a chance, please follow me on Instagram. It's at Daphne Murphy. I'll truly appreciate that. As you saw in the video, today we'll be doing some wide leg palazzo pants, and I'll have everything you need in the description box below. So take a pair of palazzo pants or any other pants that fit you well and trace it out to get the desired shape. Don't forget to add some extra inches on the top for the elastic. So I had to make my pants a bit longer because the palazzo pants I was using were 3/4, and I wanted my palazzo pants to be full length. I forgot to mention that we are cutting this pattern on the fold. Now place the fabric on the fold again and take the pattern you just made now to cut a second piece of the same thing. Now place your pieces right side facing to prepare for sewing. Now using a straight stitch, sew along the crotch area, only the crotch area for now. So now we're going to go from the top of the crotch to the bottom of the pant on the one side, and then start again from the top of the other side of the crotch to the bottom side of the pant. as I'm showing on the video. So I tried fitting on my pants and I found out that they're actually a bit too small by the hip area. I had to make adjustments by the hip. So I cut out a triangle from my material and I opened up my pants from the waist to the thigh area and added. So this is the best method I could think of to adjust and make my pants a bit bigger. I'm very sorry, but I didn't show this on camera. And if anyone would love to see how I did this, please comment down below. Now take a safety pin and attach it to the one side of your elastic and use that to insert the elastic through your elastic casing. Now after hemming the bottom of our pants are finished and ready to wear. I may add some pockets to hide the side seam area, but I'll see.